Well, this video is going to show you how to make this DIY custom chicken feeder. It's a little bit different than everything else you see, which is made out of the PVC pipes and stuff like that. This is made out of a different product. I'll show you how easy it is to make, and it will only cost you about $8, and it will take about 10 minutes to make. All right, so let's get right into it. This is what you're going to need to do this little project. You're going to need this downspout made by Stealth Flow. These you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's or anywhere online. This is just a desk organizer. These are run real cheap, about 99 cents. Scrap piece of wood for the lid, and another little scrap piece of wood for inside the lid. And then you're going to need some machine screws. These are 1 1/4 inch, 20 by 1.5, and eye screw. This is just going to be to lift up the lid, and then some zip ties. So let's get right into it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure this and drill 2 holes in the back. Once that is done, you're going to place it in the back, center it, and then mark the holes you did onto the downspout. So there you can see the marks, one here and one here. And then you're going to drill the holes in this one. So once those holes are drilled, all you got to do is insert your screws. And then put it through. So we'll get the screws through, and then just tighten up the nut from behind. So there it is, just tighten up the nuts in the back. If you have an issue with tightening it, with this one it wasn't that hard because I could move this around and actually get in there with the screwdriver. But if you do, you can just drill another 2 holes here to get the screwdriver through. So now let's work on the lid for this. So this is going to be the top, so we're just going to drill 2 small holes in it. Put it right on top of this and drill through the bottom. And then we're just going to tighten it up with 2 screws. There it is. And now for the eye hook, we're just going to drill right through the center so we can attach the eye hook. So this will go right in the center. And there's your lid for this. So here's a finished product, pretty simple to make. All it was a Stealth Flow downspout, desk organizer, and scrap pieces of wood. So that's a lid. Now the only thing you're going to need is some zip ties that you can connect around here and around the chicken wire, and I'll show you how it's going to be done. So now let's go check out what the chickens think. So here's a finished product attached to the door of the run. So you can see it's gravity fed. As the chickens eat, more feed will come down and it will hold a lot of feed. So all you got to do is attach it with either some kind of wire or a zip tie, as you can see. So now let's see what the chickens think. Looks like they like their new dinner table.